guys, today we did a Ariana Grande inspired, no tears left to cry makeup tutorial. This look was in her music video, one of many looks that she did, but I loved it. And it's like this scene where she's just like so glossy and perfect and pretty. But I hope you guys like what you see, and if you do, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a Clinique SPF. I think this is their City Block. I have actually been loving it, and I'm gonna go ahead and get it at Ulta because the chick was telling me at Ulta, really nice lady, that obviously I use SPF every day, but the SPF that I use, sorry, I had to think about it. The SPF that I use breaks me out so bad, and this one has not. So I like this one. It's tinted, but the tint goes away. Just really rub it into your skin and you'll be good to go. We're gonna do the foundation first, but then do the concealer after. Get it on your forehead and the problem area, just get it everywhere. And then I suggest to do regular sunblock on your ears and the rest of your body, your shoulders, every single day, you guys. You have to do that. Now I'm gonna go with foundation. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, one of my favorite foundations. It does break me out, but it's worth it. It's such a nice coverage. This is too much, by the way. This is way too much foundation. I like to buff in with a brush, and then I go in with a beauty blender to blend it out. All right, so I'm just laying down like a base, and then I'll go in and do like more of a fuller coverage queen like I like. But I don't really need to go in with the beauty blender. That brush, the Huda Beauty brush, is like one of my favorites. It's such a good brush. I'm using a concealer pencil base. Oh, and I'm just gonna sharpen it. Oh my god, I chewed it up. And the eyeshadow sticks to them really well. You see, it's just a different texture, and it takes the product. Now I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette the whole time, just because I know I trust this palette. Yeah, so we're just gonna go in with that palette, and I'm gonna go in with a warmer color and a fluffier brush. A warmer but nicer color and a fluffier brush. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, so much better. This brush, you don't really have much control because it's a really floppy brush. But I feel like when I blend, it just looks so much better. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and do the brow highlight just so it's set. So it's a really, really simple eye, I think. And then she uses glitter. But I'm gonna put some tape on just because I don't ever have a steady hand for eyeliner. I just don't. Ariana always focuses on her outer because I feel like she has a little bit of a smaller set eye. So she always focuses and brings it out. We will come back to that palette. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with some eyeliner. I've been using gel eyeliner. Be honest, I hate it. I wanna use my NYC liquid liner, which I need to go on Amazon and buy because they don't sell it anymore, and I'm out. Just go in with a bigger brush and blend the edges. Don't blend the color you put down, just blend the edges so it will blend easier. I'm gonna go ahead and put some tape on and do black liner off of camera because I have to get this close to the mirror and it's just, you're not gonna be able to see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the black liner on and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I finished this eye, kind of. I'm not done because I want to do my concealer and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye with you. I have the Midnight Cowboy by Urban Decay glitter liner, and I put some on the back of my hand and then work from it, so instead of just going into the tube. And I just put it on my lid and go for it. That base that I was using for my eye look, it creased, but I'm using glitter anyway, so hopefully the glitter will cover it up. Okay, so what I suggest is to keep your eyes kind of down for a little bit and wait for the glue to dry. It does ball up, so just wait for the glue to dry, or the glitter, oh my gosh, glue. Wait for your glitter to dry. And once it dries, I'm gonna add on some definition in the eyes, like the sockets and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry. Really pretty. I love that music video. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some concealer. Okay, let me, I'm gonna go in with concealer today. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay concealer in, what is this? The All Nighter concealer? Is this what it is? Yeah, All Nighter concealer. I'm going in with the darker color. To kind of color correct. And then I'm gonna go in with a lighter concealer. This is funny because this is medium light and it's really dark. I'm gonna go in with more, I'm going in with more foundation just because I want that full coverage beat. And I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender this time and just stipple. I want to try the I want to try the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. You guys, I'm not doing my neck, so just a forewarning. I don't want to do my neck. I just don't care. I'm not going to like a fashion show, you know what I mean? Alright, so I'm going to use some more concealer. This is the one in Fair Warm. So there's no in-between with Urban Decay. It's either like super, super white or not. But I love the coverage. Dries really fast, so I actually recommend to do one eye at a time. I'm gonna go in with the new Hourglass setting powder. I'm gonna use my beauty blender just for like the really, really tight places. So actually, I think I'm gonna set my whole face with this. I love their brush. I got this in PR and I love it. I'm gonna set my whole face with this. It's their new translucent powder. I'm gonna like contour and highlight the whole 9 yards. But let's do my brows right now. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I use my BH Cosmetic brow pencil. This is my absolute favorite brow pencil. It must be like my 6th pencil. I love it so much. It just works so well. super pretty. I love this brow pencil. I could never get like a straight line like that and like little brow hairs. I suck at that, but I do with this pencil. It's amazing. So she went underneath her wing with the liner as well. So we're doing that. Okay, so we're gonna go in with that hourglass brush. I'm gonna go in with Hoola bronzer. Such a pretty look. Now we're gonna go in with the MAC Patrickstar powder or blush and Take Me Home. This is the darker, it looks like it's for darker skin tone, but it's really pretty. I used the lighter one and I really like it. When I first saw it, I was like, I don't know, but I really like it. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with a liquid highlighter. I'm using Becca's Moonstone in a liquid highlighter. I put it on the back of my hand and then I spread it out. Then I take my beauty blender, the flat side, and just kind of dab it like this so it's not like stark. And I just, see how pretty that makes your skin? This is Ofra Cosmetics highlighter. As you can tell, I've been abused this one in the last couple of years. I've had it. This is Rodeo Drive, my all-time favorite highlighter. I'm gonna go ahead and do the tops of the cheeks. Look at that. So pretty. Now, what do I want to do? Okay, so I'm going to do the under eye right now. I'm just going to go in. She has a really light under eye. And she has like a lot of mascara. And I think she has falsies, but I don't want to do falsies down there because I just don't. But I'm going to do a light under eye if I can find a brush. I'm going to use the Smashbox primer water and just set my face. I cover my hair because you don't want to make your hair greasy. I like to set my face before I do my bottom lash mascara just because I don't want it to transfer. Okay, so now I'm going to do the lips. She has a very glossy lip, but I'm going to start with a really thick liquid lipstick, or like one that stays on. This is the NYX Lingerie in Lippy. I hate when that's in the shot. Hey, I'm looking for like a super gloss. Like I wish I had the MAC gloss that's just like clear, but I don't. But I'm gonna go in with this MAC gloss, and this is in Candy Box. Okay, so let's put on some bottom lash mascara. Okay, so I don't like this mascara. This is the Bang Bang Lash by Benefit, but I like it for bottom lashes only. It's a very liquidy mascara. I don't have lashes, so it just like makes them droop. But I like it for bottom lashes. My dog is a freak. There is my final look of the Ariana Grande No Tears Left to Cry, I think that's what it's called, music video. I love this look that she did. She did several looks, but this was my favorite in the video. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I had a lot of fun filming it. It turned out better than I thought it was gonna turn out. I just love my skin today. I think it looks so good. I've been using shea butter as moisturizer, and it is a game changer. Oh my god, you guys, I'm gonna do a monthly favorites after this video. Shea butter transformed and just rejuvenated my skin, I have to tell you. And the Kiehl's avocado eye mask just helped my skin so much. It was so dry and chemically dehydrated. Anyways, off topic. But yeah, so I hope you guys liked this tutorial, and if you want to see more, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys want to see down below. Until next time, I will see you later.